There's a lot of talk about belief this time of the year, but I feel like belief is such a vital part of having a side hustle or being a solopreneur. You've heard me say, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do before, and we're going to talk about how belief is such an essential aspect of not only dreaming big, but also reaching your goals, creating the business you desire, and getting to the next level. It's about pushing past the results that you're currently achieving and reaching for something even greater in your business. In today's podcast episode, we're going to dig deeper into the belief that you have not only for yourself, but for your business as well. Whether you're starting a business or side hustle, you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant. The belief that you have in yourself and what you and your business can do is key to moving your success past your current level and on to a higher level of success. What do you believe you can do with your business this year? You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Hey there! If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, you're building your business, and you're serious about growing your business to your first 6 figures, trending towards multiple 6 figures, or even 7 figures, I want to invite you to join me in a free consultation call. I've created a business strategy and growth program that is the program that you need that helps you take your business to the next level. It sets the foundation for you to build, grow, and scale your dream business for the long term. It's for you if you are a business owner who desires to build a successful business and you want to do it in the most accelerated, streamlined, and sustainable way, and in a way that aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. I'm really proud of the work that my clients and I do in this program and the transformation that happens for my clients through this one-on-one consulting process so that they can fully reach their dreams, set the foundation for their business, and create belief and actions to achieve what is possible by taking control and understanding their business, which leads to a balanced and more fulfilled life. There are limited spots available because of the very high level of support included in this program, and because I'm also very serious about helping my clients get results. I'm helping clients get their businesses started, be more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal life. Your business finances are impacted by much more than just your bookkeeping and financial knowledge. You need a solid business foundation. During your consultation session, we'll work together to go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. If this sounds like you, I want you to sign up for one of my free consultation sessions. And if you're at a place where you know that you're ready for this level of business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support, with high-level business discussions that will give you the exact next steps and the ability to reach your goals and achievements. Let's get on a call so that we can talk about and see what's possible for you and your business this year. You can go to financialadventure.com/contact-us to schedule your call today. I'll post a link in the show notes for you as well. Welcome back. One of my favorite parts of my business is when I'm talking with my clients and they tell me all about the dreams that they have for their business. They talk about where they want their business to go, as well as their overall vision. When they dream big, they have all kinds of ideas for their business. They have the belief that they can accomplish anything they set their mind to. It's pure excitement. But after time, this belief can start to dwindle and they start to lower their expectations. When they lower their expectations, they lower the level in which their business can grow. This is why I want to talk to you today about making sure you hold on to the belief that you have for your business during all the ups and downs that you might experience in your business. Throughout this podcast episode, I want you to ask yourself, what is the next level that you want to reach in your business? When do you want to get there? Can you see that it's possible for you? Because if you believe, it can be 100% possible. When you're working towards accomplishing your dreams, your big business goals, or maybe even your life goals, you know the impact that you want to make on not only your life, but potentially the impact of others' lives as well. Maybe you want to create a wealthy lifestyle, or you want to work 3 or 4 days a week while still maintaining your overall income goals. When you do this, you need to not only have the right foundation or plan set in place, but you also need to have a level of belief that you can reach these goals and surpass where you currently are in your business or life. There are times when business owners have the belief that they can achieve their goals, but as time goes on, they can lose this belief or they change their goals or dreams based on the outcome that they're seeing in their business. But I want you to know that whenever you're pursuing a dream or a goal, it's easy to see the challenges that you're facing and take that failure as a sign to lower your expectations. It's normal for you to allow doubt to creep in and cause you to question your belief. I want you to think about this for a minute. If you lower your expectations, you'll never reach that big goal. You'll start believing that you can reach these lower expectations, and your belief in your higher expectations disappears. You're telling yourself that you don't have enough belief that you can achieve your big dreams. It gets harder and harder to show up in your business and more challenging to execute your plans for your big dreams when you don't believe you can reach them. I know this can be difficult, but I want you to continue to believe in your big dreams. It's going to require you to grow as an individual and as a business owner and really work on evaluating what is working in your business and what you can do more of. You can look into what isn't working in your business, but I don't want you to dwell on this. Make improvements and move forward by learning from your mistakes and figure out what you need to start doing better so that you can continue reaching for your highest belief. Don't allow yourself to move further from your dreams or your goals by lowering your expectations. What you focus on is where you will go. Think about when you're driving. If you don't focus on the road or where you want to go, you'll likely veer off the path you originally set out to go. So you need to stay focused on the right path to get where you want to go. I want you to believe that you can reach your goals. I want you to believe that you can reach the next level in your personal life and your business. I want you to choose to believe in yourself. I want you to believe that you can move forward. I want you to believe that you can achieve more than the current level that you currently have in your business. You have full control over the results that you achieve. It's essential that you believe. You will create the results based on your actions. You need to have belief regardless of your past results or what you've currently achieved. Sure, there may be risks that you need to take, but you need to evolve and change yourself so that your business can evolve and change as well. Think about your impossible goal. Stretch beyond who you currently are. Does this bring you excitement and anticipation? Think about what it will feel like or what it will mean to you when you reach these goals. What will your life look like when you achieve them? Envision what your future self and your future business will be like right now. Today, think about every aspect of how you feel as your future self or your future business. Spend time doing this every day. Direct your thoughts and your belief in the ability that you can achieve these dreams. Open up the capacity to reach your next level. Your results will be based on the level of belief that you have and how much time you spend in this belief. When you align your strengths and what you really want to do with your business, the possibilities are endless. When I work with clients, I help them work on their vision, the dreams that they have for their business, see their potential, and just how possible it is for them to reach their goals. You can schedule a session with me, and I'll help you see what's possible for you and your business in the upcoming year. You can schedule a free session by going to financialadventure.com and clicking on the Work With Me button to schedule a consultation call. We also do a lot of this type of work inside the Mastering Your Small Business Finances Profit Lab. There's no reason that you need to be running your business feeling all alone, especially if you're running a side hustle or you're a solopreneur. You'll have a place where you can work on your business and yourself as a business owner. When you join us in the Profit Lab, you'll see how other business owners are working on growing their businesses. You'll get to see how they increase their profits. You get to be in a community where other business owners are working towards a goal just like you are, and I'm here to help you all along the way. Think about how much more difficult it is to run your business on your own and how you could feel more at ease, certain, confident, and productive when you join us in the Profit Lab. We have weekly business meetings and coaching so that you can ask questions about your business, get coaching or help with your business strategy exactly where you are right now in your business. It doesn't matter if you're just getting started or you already have an existing business. I've been helping business owners for over 20 years. They love knowing that they're able to ask questions and get answers when they need them. All your questions can be confidential, so you don't need to worry about asking questions that you feel ashamed of or nervous about asking. You need to ask questions to move your business forward. If you're tired of feeling stuck, it's time to make a change. It's time to start your journey to a profitable business. It's time to do something different. It's time to start now. It starts with making a plan so you don't keep repeating the same mistakes that you've made in the past. It's about making a plan to join us in the Mastering Your Small Business Finances Profit Lab. In the Profit Lab, we'll work together to find out what isn't working in your business and get you on the journey to solve for what will work. You'll make the changes that you want to make with knowledge and understanding behind each decision. You'll find the fastest way to unlock each foundation of your business and move your business towards success. That means that your business will change and you will change. I created this program based on the needs of you, the business owner, so that you're able to benefit from all the value that's currently in the Profit Lab, as well as the ongoing materials that I continue to add based on your needs. If you've worked with me before, you know that I teach in ways that are always simple, clear, and doable for any business owner. My clients are getting the help that they came for, they're making decisions, and by keeping it simple, they're avoiding the overwhelm. Yes, it can be this easy. If you want to join us in the Profit Lab, you can go to financialadventure.com/profit to learn more and to sign up today. The doors for enrollment in this session of the Profit Lab will be closing on December 31st, 2022. So if you know you need help closing out this year with your business and getting started in the new year, make sure that you sign up soon. Decide right now to be proactive and join us so that you can have the help that you need in these upcoming months. I created the Profit Lab to ensure that you have the tools to create a profitable side hustle or business. When I work with my clients, they have their bookkeeping up to date, they understand their financial statements, and they can see exactly how profitable their business or their side hustle is. We work together to see their options for generating additional sales, as well as where they could cut back on expenses or utilize the best solutions for their business. They can see the possibilities available to them so that they can create a successful and profitable business. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or business, or you're already making money with your existing business, I'd love for you to have these results and experience the same benefits when you work with me. If you have a side hustle or are a solopreneur and you're struggling with getting your business started, growing your business, and generating revenues, you need to join us in the Profit Lab, where you'll find ways to create a more profitable side hustle or business so that you can keep that additional money in your pocket. I walk you through not only understanding the profitability of your business, but also how you can create offers and increase your sales. By taking control of your business finances, you can create the profitable business that you're striving for and meet the goals that you've set to achieve. We prioritize and work on the essential tasks in your business, help you make decisions, and generate revenue while creating a work-life balance that you can enjoy. If you're ready to start, don't let thoughts about the perfect offer, confusion about your pricing, or the fact that you're still working for an employer stop you. So, are you ready to join us? Of course you are. By taking action in your business, you'll be sure to achieve your goals. Join us today by going to financialadventure.com/profit. The doors to the Profit Lab will be open periodically throughout the year. Generating revenue and increasing profits requires you to have the right mindset and accountability so that you can get results. And we work on this inside the Mastering Your Small Business Finances Profit Lab. It's perfect for you if you're a solopreneur or have a side hustle and you're ready to be more profitable in your business. As a CPA, business strategist, and coach, I help business owners who know it's time to do something different because what they've been doing in the past isn't getting them the results that they want. We'll make sure that you understand your business finances, your next steps, and follow through with the vision that you have for your business so that you can truly enjoy your business. I want you to have a happy holiday season, and remember, what you believe in grows. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.